Okay, we're going to do a quick review of our room 635 at the Hilton Sandestin Golf Resort and Spa. That's our parking lot. Little interior hallway. Let's go into the room and check out things and see how things are. All right, we'll start with the bathroom area. We have a little sink where you can wash up. That's not in the bathroom. We like that. Here's the bathroom. It's nice. Very nice. I like the lights that are around the mirrors. Those are fairly new in a lot of hotels. And a lot of hotels are doing this now where they have the shower gel on the wall and containers. They say it's good for the environment. Nice little bathroom. Again, lots of mirrors, plenty of space for people to get ready. This is the main bedroom. This is a 2-queen room with a sofa, which pulls out into a bed. We're utilizing all that space on this trip. Plenty of space for our gear. Let's see. Let's check out the view from the deck. This is room 635. I believe this is called the Spa Tower. A nice little balcony. It's not huge, it's not tiny. 2 chairs and a table. We have a view of both swimming pools. And the beach is really nice. We're coming at a time when there's been a lot of shark sightings, but thankfully haven't heard of any problems today. But recently there have been some shark attacks on Miramar Beach, and this is Miramar Beach. It is beautiful. All right, we'll step back in the room, finish the tour real quick. We have a TV. I don't know that we'll be using that much. Welcome, Angela. They got my name wrong. No, I'm just kidding. That's wife. Every room comes with a free fresh watermelon. That's a really nice touch. Got a little bar area over here with a cooler. It's like a wine cooler. It's supposed to be like a little fridge. Microwave. Another mirror. Every room comes with a bottle of Svedka. That's really a great touch. No, just kidding. Anyway, it's a really nice room, really nice resort. We'll have a bigger video where we give you a tour of the whole resort. Bye.